Welcome back. In this module, we'll be covering the algebraic operations, equation manipulation, and logarithms. In this video, we will be discussing mathematical operators and exponents. One of the most important skills that a science student needs to have at the collegiate level is a strong foundation in mathematics. In chemistry, we use math to quantify our results, test our hypotheses, and explain topics quantitatively. Many students learn the mathematical order of operations as PEMDAS. But what does that really mean? The first one is parentheses. Then we go to exponents. Then the equal operations of multiplication, as well as the division. The last two operators we will deal with are the equal operations of addition and subtraction. Now, knowing this mnemonic or the mnemonic, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or this acronym can only get you so far. Knowing how to use it in the context of chemistry can be critical as you progress through the course. We need to have consistency on how we do our steps. Let's look at the following example. We have 16.34 plus 0.1543 times 10.72, all of that inside of our parentheses. But we're going to divide that by 4.82, and then we'll have the subtraction of 5.61. We have all the operations in our problem. Seeing that we have the parentheses, we must do that portion first. Inside of the parentheses, however, we have two different operators. We have the addition and the multiplication. Using our order of operation, we're going to prioritize the multiplication first. This math right here will result in an answer of 1.654. Let us write the remaining part of our problem. Now we still have the parentheses. We have not eliminated them, so we must still do the addition. If we do the addition, we will result in an answer of 17.994 over the quantity of 4.82 and the subtraction of 5.61. We have two operations left, the division and the subtraction. We must do the division first based off of its priority. Doing that division, we will result with an answer of 3.73. We must still subtract the quantity of 5.61. And if we do that final operation, we will result with an answer of negative 1.877. Now let's look at a final example. In our parentheses, we have the values of 16.32 minus 8.10 plus 14.12 quantity cubed. All of our math is inside the parentheses, so we must deal with all of the math that we have in there. Seeing that the subtraction and the addition are of equal priority, we must do the operations as they are written, and we will read them from left to right. If we do those operations, we will produce an answer of 22.34 quantity cubed. Now how do we solve the exponent? We can think of this problem now as 22.34 times 22.34 times 22.34. We can handle all of these operations all at once. When we do that and we put it into our calculator, we would produce an answer of 11,149. These examples show us how to apply the order of operations. In our next video, we will continue to work through some more examples to help these problems.